Downward dog. Begin with your hands and knees on the floor. Align your wrists right under your shoulders and your knees underneath your hip. Stretch your elbows and relax your back. Press your fingers wide and firmly into the mat as you lift your hips up. Exhale, tuck your toes, lift your knees off of the floor and reach your pelvis towards the ceiling. Draw your hips towards the wall gently behind you and begin to straighten your legs, but do not lock them out. Bring your body into an A shape and walk your hands up. Roll up your body one vertebrae at a time and stand back in your ready, set position.